This is Aranet TRH IP67 sensor. It is designed for accurate temperature and humidity measurements in harsh environments. It tracks temperatures in the range of -40 to 60 degrees Celsius. The sensor operates wirelessly and is powered by a single AA battery that lasts up to 10 years. This sensor is ideal for environments with potential dust and water exposure, such as greenhouses, warehouses, and industrial settings. It can identify cold spots and ventilation issues in greenhouses for better climate management. It also helps maintain optimal conditions in warehouses and manufacturing facilities, ensuring a safe and comfortable environment. Like all Aranet Pro Series sensors, this sensor sends data to the Aranet base station and allows customized analysis via the Aranet cloud to align with business needs.